Louisiana Living on Fox 14 continues.
And welcome back. I'm joined now by Sharma with the Green Clinic, and he's here to tell us about the new PRP therapy and stem cell injections they are using to rehabilitate sports injuries. Thank you so much, Dr. Sharma, for joining us.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for having me.
What a great new breakthrough.
Yes, stem cells are a hot topic right now these days, and there's so much going on in terms of research. It's sort of confusing for a lot of people, so I just wanted to come here and clarify a few things. We can get started with PRP and then we can talk about stem cells. So PRP is basically your own blood product. We take some blood sample, a small sample from you, and we spin it down and take the good stuff, as we call it, and as platelet-rich plasma. So plasma that's rich in platelets, and it has lots of different proteins, and it has several different very important growth factors, platelet-derived growth factor, and of course endothelial-derived growth factor, and many others. And what it does, it actually helps to repair tissue that's maybe broken, maybe it's for some tendinitis and some arthritis. And then the second thing we want to talk about today is stem cells, which really is a product of your bone marrow. So we literally take bone marrow, probably a patient calling.
Exactly. You gotta love live TV.
That's right. Bone marrow product is basically taking a sample of your bone marrow from your hips and then spinning it down, and the sample that we get has lots of mesenchymal stem cells, and what that does is, again, it repairs injured tissues and can also treat arthritis. So those are two of the main things we wanted to talk about today.
You mentioned arthritis. What other types of sports injuries could this help repair?
Anything really, anywhere from tendon injury, a muscle injury, to your normal wear and tear. For baseball players, for overhead athletes, you get injuries to the rotator cuff tendons, and this can repair those as well. Research shows that a lot of the times injecting these products are, safe. There is no harm done, and it can actually heal the tendon and repair it. So it's actually really interesting and really powerful natural form of technology that's being developed now.
And can these new procedures possibly eliminate the need for surgery? Something that you would have surgery a few years back, now that these new procedures, possibly surgery won't be needed.
Absolutely, because currently you have nothing between a steroid injection and a surgery. So that's a huge gap. And as research has shown, injecting steroid into a tendon can actually rupture the tendon. So that's not really the thing to do. And then surgery is very invasive. So this is sort of bridging the gap between two extremes. And it's your own blood product or your bone marrow product. So it's safe and effective.
Exciting. Thank you so much, Dr. Sharma, for joining us.
My pleasure.
You can get in touch with Dr. Sharma at the Green Clinic for more information. Just ahead on Louisiana Living, Florida's toxic algae problem ends up